To use Credit.com login, start by going to the Credit.com website and clicking on the login button at the top right corner of the page. If you are a new user, you will need to create an account by providing some basic information such as your email address and password. Once you have created your account, you can log in to your Credit.com account using your email address and password. After logging in, you will be taken to your dashboard where you can view your credit score and report, as well as access various tools and resources to help you manage your credit. One of the key features of Credit.com is the Credit Score Simulator, which allows you to see how different actions may affect your credit score. For example, you can use the simulator to see how paying off debt or opening a new credit account may impact your score. In addition to the Credit Score Simulator, Credit.com also offers a range of other tools and resources, including a credit report card, which provides a detailed breakdown of your credit report, and a credit monitoring service, which alerts you to any changes in your credit report. To get the most out of Credit.com, it is a good idea to log in regularly to check your credit score and report, and to use the various tools and resources available to you. You should also make sure to keep your account information up to date, including your email address and password. Overall, using Credit.com login is a simple and straightforward process that can provide you with valuable insights into your credit and help you manage your financial health. By following these steps and taking advantage of the various tools and resources available, you can use Credit.com to take control of your credit and achieve your financial goals.